Okay, welcome, excuse me, to the third week, or not the third week, wow, to the 8th week of class. I'm trying to do too many things at once. Welcome to the 8th week of class. There is a test this week. It's going to be structured very similar to what the structure was for test one. There's going to be an in-person part, and there's not an in-person part, a written part that you'll do on Respondus, and then there's going to be a part. There's going to be a record yourself part. And as far as you could like a test, I think that you will like the record yourself part. This homework assignment, homework 8, that's due on Monday, please go over it. It is to test 2 what I think homework 4 was to test 1. So please go over it, ask any questions, come to office hours and ask questions for things you want to ask about. In the discussions, you can ask questions about this test or the previous one, but just please concentrate on this as a guide for kind of the things that you need to study for the exam, as well as I put a big list of practice problems for some first order equations. I'll be posting the solutions to those at some point. The written portion of the test is way heavily weighted to the stuff that we did, the first order equation stuff. There's going to be, I don't know, 6 or 7 questions. I think it's about the same. I know it's about the same number. I think it's the exact same number of questions as test 1, and only one of those questions is going to be on the separation of variables for the written portion. I'm not going to tell you I'm not going to tell you about the record yourself portion. That could be, I just don't want to give any information. It could be a first order equation. It could be separation of variables. But again, for that, you get to look at the question and then take some time thinking about it and then make a video. So I'm less worried about time crunches there. Okay, I think that's it that I want to say for this video. Please, questions that you have, ask either in office hours or in the discussion forums. And I will be, the test will open on Friday and close on Sunday, or whatever I did for test 2, or for test 1, that's what I'm going to do for test 2. Same thing, Respondus lockdown browser, all that. Okay, I'll see you guys in the discussions.